Hello my lovely viewers, welcome again to Mathematics Live. It is the presenter Jefferson, and today we are still on the topic polynomials, but we shall be looking at the factor theorem. Now in our last video we talked about polynomials. I'm using the remainder theorem and also polynomials solving with long division method. So today we shall be looking at how we can use factor theorem in solving problems on polynomials. Now when you hear factor, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Now, a factor is a number or an expression that can divide another number or another expression exactly without a remainder. So, if for instance we have something like this, 10 over 2, it gives us 5, remainder 0. Now, what does that mean to you? It means 2 is a factor of 10 because when 2 divides 10, it is 5, remainder 0. So any number that can divide another number without a remainder, that number is a factor. Now, let us see the question that we are told to find using the factor theorem. And the question says, find the value of k given that x plus 2 is a factor. X plus 2 is a factor of the equation 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x raised to the power 2 plus kx plus k. Now, something was mentioned here. We were told that x plus 2 is a factor. So, without wasting time, we already know that x plus 2 will divide this polynomial or this expression without a remainder. Now, how can we solve a problem like this? So, the first thing that we're going to do is we have to find the value of x. And how do we get the value of x? Is to equate the factor to 0. Now the factor in the question was x plus 2. Now equating it to 0, we have to connect like terms. Now when plus 2 crosses, it becomes x is equal to 0 minus 2. And it simply means x is equal to minus 2. Now, when x is equal to minus 2, remember, we were not told to find the value of x. We were told to find the value of k. But there is no way we can find the value of k when we don't know the value of x. So now that we have gotten the value of x, which is minus 2, now the next we do is that we substitute the value of x in the expression and equate it to 0. Now, the expression was 2x raised to the power 3 minus 5x raised to the power 2 plus kx plus k. Now, substituting the value of x, which is minus 2, we are going to get this. 2 into bracket minus 2 raised to the power 3 minus 5 into bracket minus 2 raised to the power 2 plus k into bracket minus 2 plus k equal to 0. Okay, now when we solve the ones inside the bracket, minus 2 raised to the power 3 simply means minus 2 times minus 2 times minus 2 into 3 places. And minus times minus gives us plus, plus times minus gives us minus. 2 times 2 times 2 gives us 8. So it simply means minus 2 raised to the power 3 gives us 8. So here becomes 2 into the bracket of minus 8 minus 5 into the bracket of minus 2 raised to the power 2 simply means minus 2 times minus 2, and that gives us 4. Okay, now plus times minus gives us minus, and k times 2 gives us 2k plus k equal to 0. Okay, without wasting time, let's open the bracket. Now 2 times minus 8 gives us minus 16, minus 5 times 4 gives us 20, minus 2k plus k equal to 0. Okay, now we collect like terms. Now when we collect like terms, making the ones with k in one place and then the others to the other side. Now minus 16 has to leave and minus 20 has to leave because they are not carrying k. Now, when minus 16 and minus 20 leaves, we are going to be left with minus 2k and plus k. So here becomes minus 2k plus k is equal to 0. Now, when minus 16 crosses, it becomes plus 16. And when minus 20 crosses, it becomes plus 20. Okay, now, minus 2k plus k is minus k. How? Minus 2k means you are owing 2k, plus k means you have just 1k to pay. Now, when you pay 1k that you have from 2k that you are owing, you will still see that you are left with 1k that you are owing, which is minus k, and then equal to 0 plus 16 gives us 16, and 16 plus 20 gives us 36. Now, automatically, our k is equal to minus 36. So, this is how you can solve for the value of a variable or for the value of an unknown, when you are given a factor, when you go through this process, you are going to get your answer correctly. So we have come to the end of today's class, and if this is the first time, coming to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Jeff Nino, and also don't forget to follow us on our Facebook page, Mathematics Bolster. Till we meet again in our next video, remain blessed.